By the way, the question you can either send to a co-host or host chat access. Or if you send it to host, then I can't see. If you send to co-host, I can see. Because we are not allowing anybody to come in and paddle for insurance or MLM. That's why y'all cannot message each other, but y'all can only talk to the host. Any question at this juncture? Okay. One question is, if you only have 10K, so you should just turn on 38 and not required to turn on 100. Okay, let me come back to the robot. You are right. Okay, whoever asked the question, you are right. You will choose either one. Do not turn on both. Okay, just turn on either one. Don't turn on both. If you turn on both, what's going to happen is because Oracle appear in both lists. Okay, I know for a fact Oracle appear in both lists. So if you turn on both, the effect is if Oracle tonight trigger the trade, you will take 2 trades. Then you are overexposed already. Okay. Right. So let me move on because I heard Marion has already replied some of you directly from the chat. Okay. So guess what? Now it's time to do the demo to show you how easy it is to use the platform. Now, firstly, after you log in, right, guys, all these strategy will be disabled. Okay. Now we are doing a refresh of the strategies and also add more features in the K2Robot. So by the time you use it, right, all of them will be disabled. Now, what you want to do is to select these two, Trend Master, the one that is working very well now, turn it on according to your account size. Okay, like when you turn on, right, how does it work? See, all you need to do this. Turn the radio button on. Sorry, not the radio button. Turn this button on. It will tell you bot activation. Then you read how does it trade. Da, 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 da. Okay, and then you click proceed. Once you click proceed, see, it is turned on already. So what happened to mine is I have turned on both strategies right here. So I'm going to turn off the TM100. Okay, successfully unfollow the bot. That's all, boys and girls. That's all. This is all you need to do. Turn on one of them. That's all. Very straightforward, very simple. Am I right? Okay, that's all. That is how simple it is. Okay, next. Now, those of you who like you follow certain guru like Warren Buffett or George Soros, and you want to trade their stock, right? You want to trade their stock, all you need to do, very simple, you come to the watch list, and then you create the list of stock. Like for example, I have Warren Buffett stocks already created right here. So what I need to do, I go to Strategy Lab. Okay, I use one of these two. Okay, Trend Master today or Trend Master 100. Okay, I use Trend Master 100. And then I select my Warren Buffett watch list. There you go. Okay, 10,000 capital. I trade for 5 years now. Let's do longer term back test. For back test, the further you go, the better. Okay, we only allow up to 5 years. So today is 18th of September. So you can only start from 18th of September right here. Okay, this is so that our server load is not too heavy. Then you back test. Okay, you run a test. Okay, you run the test. After it is done, ta-da! Okay, it is done. Okay, it is done. So you can check out your performance over here. So from 10K, if you invest in Warren Buffett stock using this system, you will make about $14,000 in 5 years. Okay, drawdown is 12%, smaller than the Trend Master. But fund utilization rate is 55% over here, guys. That means half your money is idle. Now, why? Why is because there are only 10 stocks in this example. We are only doing 10 stocks, so therefore it's only 55%. If you put in more stocks, it will utilize more. Okay. Now, if you are happy with what you have done here, all you need to do is to save the strategy to dashboard. You give it a name. Okay. Let's say follow Warren Buffett. Follow Warren Buffett. Then I'm going to put follow Warren Buffett here. Save. Okay, so save to dashboard already. So you go to the here. Okay, then you go to the system robot. Okay, it will appear. There you go. Follow Warren Buffett. Okay, then if you want to activate your strategy, you click here. Now, after you click proceed. It activates the bot. So it will start to monitor your list of 10 stocks and then take the trade whenever there's a signal. So this is for people who are more advanced and wants to trade your own stock. You can do what I did, create a watch list and then run the strategy on your watch list and set it to auto trade for you. Okay. Now take note, every change, every bot activation that you do here, guys, you need to do before 4 p.m. Asia time. 4 p.m. Because after 4 p.m., our server will start to calculate the signal and then prepare to trade for the night at 9 p.m. So therefore, 4 p.m. is the cutoff time for you to make any changes. I mean, you have all the time in Asia time zone, right? Or morning 8 a.m. all the way to 4 p.m. Definitely you got enough time to play around. Now, if you do, like me, I do not want anymore, right? This is just an example. I just click delete. Okay, delete. That is gone. Okay, so left only one. So that is how we can use this robot to trade. Okay, to trade your Warren Buffett list of stock. Okay, why don't we do this, guys? Give me any stocks that that you want to trade. Okay, I'm going to create a watch list as a class to try it out. Okay, I want to use my new robot. Okay, I'm going to use my new robot. Master 38. Come, give me the stock. Let's take about 5 stocks. How about? Okay, let's take about 5 stocks to create 5 stocks. Okay. We put mooncake. We call the watch list mooncake. Now, this is how you add a watch list of stock. I have a WBA. Notice this list of stock, there's no trend check. So therefore, whatever you tell me, right, it is going to be traded. Only the TM watch list has got trend check. So Nvidia, AMD, wow, these are all the. This one should go up. Do something that you are using, guys. Do something that you are trading. AMD, CVS. Okay, I got you. CVS. What else do you have? Gold. Go, I skip. Go is boring. Let's not do go. I know go is on an up. Okay, do go lah. I ask you for stock, then you give me stock. I say I don't do. How rude can I be? Okay, go. Like what else? AAPL. Okay, and then we have J&J. J&J, Johnson & Johnson. Wow, very 冷门. PQQQ. Wow, you're trying to be funny, Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, enough already. So we have got enough stock already. Let's go to the strategy lab. Okay, so we're going to use Trendmaster 38. Risk per trade, we're going to set 2%. Minimum trade size 1 to 10,000. Capital, let's put 10,000. 10,000 too much. Let's put 5,000 capital, because there's only a few stocks, so no need to do 10,000. What the heck, put 10,000. Then we select the watch list mooncake. Okay. Maximum trade per day, we put 3. Maximum open position, we put so many 0. Is because so long the money 10,000 can use up everything. Okay, that's why I put 1 million over here. Back test result, let's go 5 years. Let's go 5 years. Okay. Okay, run test. This is how you do. Okay, so you can see 2022, it didn't survive the bear market. Okay, let's see overall. Now, overall, guys, based on the stocks that you have chosen, right, you will still beat the S&P 500. The stocks that you have chosen doing the 5-year back test, right, you will make about 98.5%, versus S&P 500 is up 81.3%. Okay, now fund utilization rate is only 38%. Based on the 9 stock. So you probably can add more stocks inside. Add more stocks inside so that you can hit the higher fund utilization rate. Okay, so drawdown is about 21%, and it happened during the 2022 bear market. 2022 bear market. Now, again, if you're happy, you just click Save Strategy to Dashboard. Give it a name, give a decision, you click Save, then you activate it to trade. So this example is to show you the importance and how useful it is to do the back test, to test the strategy against your stock, if the performance is good, then you'll be able to have the confidence to let the robot auto trade for you. Okay, so any question before we continue? Okay, no question, huh? Okay, so if you got any question, if Marion can answer, then she'll help me answer. Right, let's go to the next slide. Okay, the next slide is when you are using a robot like this, right? It's very important to know how the robot performs during the bear market. Now, in a bull market, the robot is expected to make money, and this robot definitely will be able to make because it's an uptrending market. Okay, but how about the 2022 bear market? We have just come out of a bear market about 2 years ago in 2022. Wow, 2 years already, huh? Time flies. So therefore, in 2022, the S&P 500 has fell 27.1%. So what I'm going to do right now, right, is to run the back test and see if the robot is able to, how the robot perform during this time. Okay, let's go to the strategy lab again. And then, okay, this parameter will remain now, okay, no more mooncake. So now we're going to test the TM38 because it's 38. And then we do 5,000 就好了. Okay lah, 10,000 lah, easier lah. 10,000. Bear market, so we have to set 2022. Right, 2022, we do for 2022, January 1st to 2022, December 31st. Okay, so the whole year, 2022, let's run the test and see how the robot trades Trendmaster 38 during the bearish year. Okay, so this is the performance. So there are times when it dipped below negative right here. And okay, let's talk about the end result. So if you start on 1st of January versus the S&P 500, right? S&P 500 confirmed down lah. Just now we saw already, confirmed down. So your strategy, the blue color one, right, will outperform S&P 500. Okay, as you can see, you will still be up 13.6%. Your maximum drawdown is 17%. If it is reasonable for the strategy to underperform, to lose money in a bear market, right? But most importantly, as I was telling you just now, that it must be able to win back the losses and your account should continue to grow after the bear market is over. Okay, so let's say you start at the high here. So the day you start, bear market starts, then your account go negative. Then you call and scold me. Walao, you say robot will make money. Where God, I'm losing money. I tell you to be patient. You just let the year go. Okay, because it's bear market, even the S&P 500 is down. So everybody is down. So just be patient. Give the robot more time. 6 months later, I will call you back and ask you, so how is it? Can you see the strategy works better now? 13.6% up. Okay, so this is how the strategy perform in a bear market. So with this in mind, guys, if the strategy can survive a bear market in 2022, there's nothing to stop you from making money from today onwards. Okay, this is how the robot will perform in a bear year. In a bull year, definitely you will be able to make money. All right, so let me answer one question coming in. Will it have better return than just buy and hold for a strong uptrend stock NVIDIA? Okay. So guys, this question I got it all the time because NVIDIA. Okay, let me answer. Okay, the question is, will it be able to perform better if I just buy and hold NVIDIA? Now, my thinking is asking this question, right? It is more of a hindsight. Hindsight. Why? Because NVIDIA already up, You compare NVIDIA, confirm cinema lose, S&P 500 will lose, right? Nasdaq will lose, Microsoft will lose. So if you use a robot to trade, right, what you are trying to achieve is convenience, okay, and profitability. Without you to meddle with the robot, you just set it up and it will run automatically for you. And the performance may not be as good as NVIDIA. Okay, because NVIDIA super stock. Last time, there is a stock called Tesla also, Tesla also outperformed strongly, So in that year, if you use Tesla performance to benchmark, right, guys, then that is called hindsight. Everybody agree now? Agree, comment one for me. I just hope I explained this very well because this is the question that I get a lot. Or comment one for me if you understand what I'm saying. This is hindsight because if you use the strongest stock at that point in time to compare to any other instrument, right, confirm you win. Confirm that stock will win. But what we want to do, guys, is to compare with the benchmark at S&P 500. How do you know NVIDIA is going to go so strong up, right, this year? What about next year? If you buy and hold, 你哪里知道它几时掉? How do you know when it will start to come down? Right? When do you sell? You will not know. But if you use the robot day in, day out, take in trade, week in, week out, month in, month out, trade actively to generate that alpha for you, that return for you, it is more robust than just put everything in one stock. Okay, today you may be confident, okay, you put 50K, 20K into robot and robot can generate return for you, but can you put 50K, 20K in one NVIDIA and sit in peace? This is my question. Especially during this time when they say there's a delay in their Blackwell server chip. It looked like this, by the way. Okay, and it really fell, I think it fell by a big percentage. 27% down. Okay, so I hope I answered this question. Right? If there's any other question, feel free to ask now. Also, usually what we do is to benchmark against the S&P 500 because S&P 500 spider, SPY, you can just invest and then dollar cost and then it will work for you, right? So the robot, to the minimum, right, it must outperform S&P 500 to make it worth your time and worth your investment to use this robot. Okay. So if there's no more question, I will continue. Now, this is the top 10 stock performance users in our list. As you can see, these are top 10. So the return over here, okay, from 13.8% all the way to 37.6%. So today, guys, if any one of you are underperforming this percentile, then this robot will help you. Okay, if you did not even invest in the Wall Street, you do not know what stock, because there are 7,000 stocks, you don't know where to start, don't know what to buy, don't dare to buy, this robot can help you. Okay, so these are the percentile year-to-date performance by our users. Okay. Fully automatic, I need to add fully automatic. That means on the robot and just let it run. No need to every night go and check, no need. So how it happens is, you just set it up, you let it run. Then tomorrow morning, when you wake up, probably you want to check your app and see, hey, what are the trades done overnight? How is the portfolio performance? Maybe that's the thing that you will want to check, which is fair enough. But there's no action needed at night. So nighttime, you can go and do your work. You can go and watch your Netflix, go park tour, dating, or go and read story to your kids, whatever you want to do. Enjoy your life. Or just let the robot trade for you. So the profit range from 13.8% to 37.6% in our community. Okay. So this is again the summary. Okay, to make money, okay, TM38, TM100 watch list, followed by using Trend Master to buy the low, using trailing stop system. This is how you find the winning trade.